Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Elisa, here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, and today we'll be taking a look at this 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. So here we have a 4-door, 5-passenger SUV, and the color is called Twilight Black, and it's absolutely beautiful. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.4-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch aluminum wheels. Now, some of your features include your front fog lamps. You also have your fully automatic headlamps, and you have your rear vision camera, making it a lot safer with eyes in the back of your head. But there's tons happening on the inside as well, so why don't we hop on in and take a look at your interior features. Helping you into your Santa Fe is this handy dandy key fob with flip key. On your fob, you have your lock, your unlock. This is your hatchback release, so that just unlocks your hatchback there, and then you have your panic button. Pushing the unlock button once will unlock the driver door, and pushing it twice will unlock all 4. And we're going to open this up here. We'll take a look at some more of the cool features that we have happening here. So nice amount of room to get in and out, really nice and spacious. You do have some storage here in the driver's side door. You also have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. And then you have this really comfortable, awesome interior. Not hard to get comfortable in here at all. Nice and roomy, plush seats. We're going to hop on in here. We'll start it up for you. Take a look at some more of the technology features. So taking a look there, we only have 28,080 kilometers on this Santa Fe, so lots of life left. You also have all of the mounted controls that you're going to want. You have your volume control, your mode changer buttons, your music selection buttons, your mute button there, so that's going to be really handy for you. You also have your hands-free calling and your voice command just below that. Right around here is your cruise control for those nice long family road trips that you're going to be taking. And then right in here, this is going to be your menu for your central information cluster. So this gives you all of your your music, your service, things like that, all of your settings, your lights, your sound, your convenience features, things like that. And then of course you have your vehicle features like your fuel range, your trip 1, trip 2, things like that. So lots of information for you just at the touch of a couple of buttons there. Taking a look at your entertainment system, you do have everything that you're going to want. You have your AM, FM radio, lots of presets happening in there as well. You also have your media, which means your USB audio input. And then you have your phone here, so that's going to be really handy. You can connect your phone, which gives you your hands-free calling, so that's going to be really nice. Moving a little bit further down, you have your temperature control. This is going to be really handy. You have your air conditioning for those summer months. You have your max AC. That's going to be nice for the kids in the back when they get a little bit warm. You have all of your different temperature control settings, and then right under here you have a nice amount of storage. So this is a little rubber mat. It reduces slipping. Right here you can see you have your USB and your audio input, and then you have 2 separate 12-volt DC plugins in case you have any other devices that you would like to charge. Moving a little bit further back from there, you have your heated seats with 3 different temperature options for your driver and your passenger, and then you have your sport mode here. That's going to be really fun to drive that way. A couple of cup holders, and then you have a nice big center console with multiple layers. This removes to make for easy cleaning. A nice rubber mat in there so things don't go sliding around. Doubles as an armrest. And then right in here you have a lockable glove box and all of the manuals that you're going to need in your nice big glove box there in case there's any other information that you'd like. You have this really great wood cut in here, so that adds some luxury to your drive, and lots of really great stuff happening in the front of the Santa Fe. Why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo? All right, so taking a look at the back of your Santa Fe, lots going on back here as well. You do have that rear windshield wiper for that unpredictable Alberta weather. You also have your rear vision camera, as we had mentioned before. And right in here, we're gonna take a look at the cargo section. Nice big cargo area, so you can definitely carry your entire family and everything that comes with one. Another really great couple of features here is right under here is all of the tools for your spare tire, and you also have an extra little cargo space there. And then under this section here, this pulls up as well and kind of folds over. And lots of cargo area down there as well for some smaller items that you maybe want to keep hidden, or if you want a little bit of privacy, or if you just don't want the smaller items rolling around in the back there. So lots of really great stuff happening with the back of your Santa Fe. We're just going to set those seats down so you can see just how much space there is with those seats folded flat. So there is a middle section there as well that folds down, so lots of versatility in the back seat. There's that right seat folded down for you. So you can actually fit 2 people in the back comfortably, either by putting the middle section down, or you can keep the middle section up and just put one of the seats down and carry something a little bit longer. And there's your left seat down. So once again, tons and tons of cargo space. If you need to carry something a little bit bigger, that's not gonna be a problem for you. And when you're finished loading in all of your gear, really easy to pull that down, not heavy at all. We'll give you a nice view of the back of your Santa Fe. Giving you a final glimpse then of the 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. You can see those back windows are a little tinted to give your passengers and your cargo just a bit of privacy. And that's one thing I love, is the amount of cargo space. So come on in, check it out, take it for a test drive, see how you like it. We're very easy to find. We're on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. My name is Elisa. Thanks again for watching. And until we see you, drive safe.